Hi, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Maps walking directions. First, add the destination where you're going right here. Second, choose the method walk. Third, press the start button. Now make sure you hold your phone vertically in front of you. All you have to do here is to get the blue arrow to point at the first blue dot of your trail. You can do so by turning 90 degrees, and it doesn't matter which way. We have to look at the map to confirm you are facing at the right direction. If your arrow is pointing away from the blue dots, then you are going the wrong way. Just turn until you are on the right track again. Just keep following the blue trail to get to your destination. And that's it. That's how you use Google Maps walking directions. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.